Welcome to AHQ Tutorials. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete process of installing the AHQ local agent, from downloading to updating and resetting the cache. To start, go to the AHQ website and find the homepage section. Here, look for the AHQ local agent installer. Select the version that matches your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and click Download. Ensure you choose the correct version for smooth installation. Once downloaded, locate the installer file and double-click it to begin the setup. Follow the prompts, accepting the terms, and choosing the destination folder if needed. When you're ready, hit Install to start the process. Installation only takes a few moments. After installation, locate the AHQ local agent icon on your desktop or in your applications. Double-click to launch it. The agent will open in the background, automatically working seamlessly to support your automation experience. To keep your AHQ local agent running smoothly, make sure it's up to date. You'll get a notification whenever a new version is available. Click Check for Update to install the latest features and security improvements. The update is quick and will apply changes automatically. If your agent seems slow or unresponsive, try resetting the cache. In lower left corner, click the Reset Cache icon. This will clear outdated data, refreshing the agent without affecting your personal settings. And that's it. You're all set to use the AHQ local agent. For more tutorials and support, visit our help center or contact us directly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more AHQ tutorials and updates.